my name is Roshni. I am here to present a presentation about my website which I have made using Wordpress. Let me tell you about the Wordpress. So this is the interface or dashboard of Wordpress, and we have several options here. And here is the page option, and with the help of this page option we can add pages to our website like the about us page, home page, etc. And we have a product section. Here the product section is here because of the WooCommerce plugin. I have installed some few plugins in my WordPress, and the plugins are WooCommerce and Elementors, and there are several more. And with the help of this we can add product to our website, and let me tell you how. When we click on this product, we have all products and add new product. When we click on all products, we have all the products which I have listed inside my website. And to add a new product, we have to click on add new product here. And when we click on add new product, we have a page open where we can add a product. Sample we have soup, and from here we can add the product image. So let me take that image suppose I take this picture and set product as image, and let me change the product name. So I have changed it, and here we can add the product description, and here we can add the price. Suppose I take 5,000, and here my product category is for women's and the category is sari, and after that we have to publish it. So when we publish it, it will show inside our website. Now let me show you my website. So this is my website. This is the front page of my website, or a home page of my website. Now let me give a tour to you, a short tour about my website. So you can see here we have many sections, category sections, and the footer section. Now coming to the home page, here you can see we have our website's logo, that is Roshni itself, and my brand name is Roshni, and it describes the light I have about my website and the vision I have while making this website. Now let me tell you about the shop menu. So when we click on the shop option, we have two categories, that is women and men, and inside the women we have two categories as well. We have suits and saris. When we click on women's, we have all the product listed for women's, and when we click on women's for suits, and it will only show the product related to suit. And if I click on men's and t-shirt, it will show the men product which is related to t-shirt. And if I click on men's product, and if I click on only men, it will show all the product listed for men's. Now we have my account page and my account section, my privacy policy, cart, checkout, wish list. Suppose I want to buy this hoodie. So if I click on this, it will redirect us to the page where this product is listed, and from here we can add it to the cart. When we add it to the cart, it will tell me about the subtotal, what is the price, and when we want to buy this, we will click on the checkout option, and it will redirect us to the checkout page. So from here we can see the checkout options, and here the shipping option is free here, and the payment option is cash on delivery. From here we can place the order, and after placing the order, it will show you the message. So let me show you it. Yes, you can see here there is a thank you message, and when I click on my account, from here you can see orders, and the order I have placed is listed here, and you can see the status. The status says processing. So we can handle the backend as well from when I went to this my dashboard page, and here I have order commerce, and when we click on it, here it says processing, and when we click on it, from here we can change the status when the order is delivered to the customer's place. So when we click, when I change the status from processing to completed, and if I update this, and I went back